I mean, this is a safety product, and we never undermine or underestimate that.
You look back when planes started flying, it was just basically a piece of wood bolted onto an engine. But now we've got such high-tech props out there that they can run anywhere from 200 to 300 parts in a prop assembly, depending on the model of it.
The thing with propellers is it's the cost. Downtime is so expensive, and a lot of times these are not scheduled maintenance. So that's where you have to jump up and say, let's get the parts in, let's get a team organized. We had recently sold a customer a propeller up north. This company requested training for his employees to reassemble and install this propeller. So Jason was up north training 7 employees. We often do that, and we're excited to do that to show our knowledge and our ability.
I like training. I feel it's very important to build that relationship as well. They know they can rely on us when they have an issue, and we know that we can provide service. So it's a win-win situation.
We do a lot of different propeller types here, and I'm very proud to say our technicians are able and capable on all of those.
So everything that's required during an overall process we can do here. We LPI and MPI all the parts and dimensional check them according to all OEM spec. Ground, dimensional checked, repainted, balanced. We're estimating, we're contacting our client and filling them in where the prop is at, how many pieces are either defective or required.
And it's all about quality assurance. Double checks, triple checks. We want to make sure that the nuts are tightened and the bolts are in place and everything is done right.
One thing about aviation is if you don't learn something new every day, then I don't think you're really trying hard enough. Yeah, there's so much to learn.
Continuous training here is very important. A lot of the staff that we've had here for quite a period of time have done a lot of the OEM training. That's still ongoing, but now we're sending the newer staff right to the OEM. Technicians on the floor will come up with great ideas, and we'll direct them right to the OEM if they have an idea or a suggestion or they found something. Our management will often be consulted by Heart Souls and Macaulay and different organizations to be a part of the blade improvement, things like that. That's huge, to have that supplier connection. We can't solve all the problems, but we're going to find you the final answer and we're going to make it right. So that's by using your other sources and having that relationship, not with just the customer, with the manufacturer as well. Where we excel is the after support. It really is. Well, we love our customers to come in our shop. We give a lot of tours. We want them to see our employees at work. At the end of the day, it's about relationships, and it's about what we can do for you throughout the whole propeller maintenance from beginning to end. People in aviation are real, and they work hard, and they deserve a lot from us. And I think it comes across the way we do business. We're very passionate about propellers. I come home, I'm enthused, I'm excited, I'm still loving what I do, and I'm so excited for the future.